lesson, we're going to be outlining our Easter bunnies, our eggs, and our plaques. I'm using my thick consistency white, and I'm going to outline. Next, I'm going to flood my bunny. Set this off to the side. Bunny cutter here because I'm going to be doing a bunny cookie, and I've gone ahead and drawn them out on some parchment. So I've got 4 of them here, and you can see I've already piped one. Got my little eyes here. The eyes are pre-made, and that's the cool thing about ready-made products is that you can get them already made for you. So these are some little eyeballs by Wilton. They come in 3 different sizes, and I'm using the smallest size. I'm gonna pipe my nose and my mouth. So in order to do that, I'm gonna do my nose first because I don't wanna be working over the icing, like put my arm in it. And I've got a tip here with the number 5, and I'm gonna do the pink first. You can decide how full you want your little nose to be, but a number 5 tip with the pink, and I'm gonna do a heart. So I'm just gonna come in here and squeeze and make a little heart. Okay, then I'm gonna flip it back around, and I'm gonna take my black, and I'm going to make sure my tip is somewhat clean, and I will pipe on the other little part of his nose. Just like so. And then I will also take the black and I will do a little mouth. You can decide how big or how small you would like your mouth to be, and that's it. If you need to fix anything, just take the little scriber tool and do so. And we're just gonna let this dry. It will probably take at least 24 hours to dry, depending on where you live. And actually, I'm gonna show you one more thing. We also need to do his ears. Forgot about his little ears. How rude. All right, so I've got a number 12 tip here, and I'll do his ears on one of the bottom ones here. I'm just gonna pipe some ears, just like so. You can move this parchment any way you would like. Make sure you can see this. And we'll let those dry, and then we can pop those right onto our cookie too. So that's it. We'll just let these set up. You can make these months in advance. They last for a really, really, really long time. They're the same way that Wilton and some of the other companies make their little royal transfer decorations that you buy at the craft store. This is how they do it. So there you go. So our royal icing transfers have dried, and I started to peel them off. This is why we make extra, because I had one that broke. But I just wanted to show you how easy these peel off right off of the parchment. Like I said, you can make these up way far in advance, and you don't have to just use them on cookies. You can also use them on cupcakes, petit fours, and regular cake as well. So when I did my master program at Wilton, I actually, for my final cake, I can't even tell you how many flowers I made using this method, the parchment method, and I had them hanging from hangers so that they would dry quickly, so that both sides were exposed. And they're super useful. You can, make stuff up way ahead of time. If you get a last minute order, you can just pull some of your, decorations if you've made flowers using this method. It's a great little hack. Okay, so I've got my cookie here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my ears. So I want to pick out which ears I want. If I want big ears, do I want little ears? So let's see here. I probably should have kept these more in order. Those two go together. I don't know. So you decide how big you want your ears to be or how small. And that's why I piped lots of extra ones so that I can find my perfect mate. And I'm flipping these upside down. I like having the point go upward. So you could flip it this way if you would like. That looks super cute too, but I like the thinner. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm just looking for two that are similar. It's not bad. I think I like this guy. That's kind of cute. So I'm gonna do the same with the little mouthpiece until I find the mouthpiece that I like the best. It's probably gonna be this one. Let me put my little eyes in place. That's probably gonna be that one. And then I just gotta find the smile that I like. So we've got a couple different smiles to choose from. These are very fragile, so we wanna be careful. Yeah, I like this one the best. Yeah, I like that one the best. So all I'm gonna do, take and put a little bit of royal icing on the back of my transfer to get that to stick. It's my glue. I'll just put this little guy in place. Do the same to my other ear in place. Just like so. Do the same with your eyes, my little nose, and then I'll do the same very, very carefully with my mouth. There you have a cute little bunny. I'm gonna add a little pink to his cheeks. Grab my Xenia little paintbrush here, and I'll just pink up his little cheeks a little bit with a little bit of color, just like so. Just a little bit right here. Very subtle. Cute little bunny rabbit. He's so cute, I like him. You could go through too, and if you want, and add a little bit of pearl dust to the little ears too if you'd like, and the little nose, just like so. And there you have it, a cute little bunny cookie. So cute. You could also put these cookies on a cake and do a whole cake, cookie cake.